Hello, how to vaccinate poultry with aloe vera, neem, spinach, pawpaw leaf, zero mortality, shocking organic cure for your poultry and livestock animals. If you have not watched other combos, please go and watch it. This is one. Onions peel and rest of them, they are here. We are through with this. It's there in the channel. Go and watch them. This is two. We are through with this. Other videos are there. Go and watch these ones. This is a different combo. This is three. We are through with this three combo also. Different combo here. Make up this. Go and watch it. We are here on the fourth one. This is the fourth video on this organic vaccination using different natural plants within your environment. Or highest, you add little more amount of money and buy them from the market if you can't plant them. Some of them are weeds, some are spices you can buy from the market. For zero mortality and for organic vaccination, shocking organic cure. Relax. In this particular video, I will give you everything you need to make sure your poultry remains healthy and you make profit. I'm also going to guide you on how to prepare this. As you have seen this combo, I've prepared it already. See it, I've already prepared it. How are you going to prepare it? How are you going to make use of the dosage also, and the formula for this particular combo. If you have any question regarding this topic, on the comment section at the end of the lesson, drop it in the comment section. And if this topic interests you, give it a thumb up. Please don't watch video without giving it a thumb up. Some of us find it difficult to even join the channel membership, but even to share the video we find it difficult also. We're also stingy in even giving a thumb up, even dropping comments also. Some even drop negative comments. Let's continue. All this is you're going to expose this in this video. All these plants are within our environment. You know some of them also. The increasing resistance of poultry diseases to synthetic drugs and the cost and the burden of vaccination program have pushed many farmers to seek natural, effective, and affordable alternatives. Nature has blessed us with organic plants from God. These are things we just came into this world and met them. They are there for us. Our great-grandfathers, our ancestors never used vaccination. They used drugs from plants, extract from plant to take care of their poultry. Because I know my grandmother, my grandparents in short, then they were into livestock farming, and I was living with them. They use all these natural herbs, ginger, scentleaf, and bitter leaf, and rest of neem. All these ones was what they used, and their chickens never buy at all, and they always make profit. Every market day they gather more than 10, 15, 20 to market every market day, 8 days. And you see how multiplicable those birds were because of they were using organic plants. So in this particular video, nature has blessed us with plants that can improve immunity, fight deadly poultry infections, and boost immunity, boost the strength and growth of our poultry birds. Natural alternatives. This guide will teach you how to use aloe vera, neem, spinach, and spinach tree also, pawpaw leaf, and Mexican mint tea, and bush sponge leaf, as well as ginger, turmeric, clove, and Eden fruit. This is a powerful combination. You can see there are more than 10 here. See them. This is the last one. 100% organic poultry vaccine and immune booster. You can see we're using spinach here. 3 spinach is here. Pawpaw leaf is here. Mexican mint tea is here. Bush sponge is here. And ginger, turmeric, clove, Eden fruit, and rest of them are all here in packed. This is a full medication. This can assist and cure a lot of infection in human beings, but I'm not teaching this for here. If you need something like this, drop on the comment section. I will tell you what you can use this to take care of in poultry. Not only in poultry, now in human being. This is what I'm teaching here in the poultry. But if you ask me on the comment section, I will don't come to my WhatsApp line to come and ask me. Drop it in the comment section. I will guide you on how what this can take care of. This is a powerful organic plant. It's not synthetic at all. You can test it. It has nothing to do with here. Listen, it is bitter in nature because of a lot of combinations that are here. It is very bitter. So your chicken will take it and they're going to live healthy. So relax and make sure you watch it. And let me give you the medicinal properties of each of these ingredients I mentioned here. Let's start with aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, and also rich in enzymes. It boosts immunity of poultry and livestock animals, and it has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It heals gut linings, improves digestion, and reduces heat stress. It detoxifies internal organs of poultry and livestock animals. What of neem? Neem contains azadirachtin, a potent natural pesticide and immune stimulant. It also has anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It has antifungal properties also. It supports liver function and reduces respiratory infections, fights other diseases, and Newcastle. It fights coccidiosis and bacterial and diarrhea in poultry and livestock animals. What of pawpaw? Pawpaw is rich in papain enzyme, antioxidants, and alkaloids, boosts blood production and recovery. It is effective against coccidiosis and other symptoms, even malaria in human being also. Malaria-like symptoms, that is all this fever in chickens. It's also take care of them and take care of parasites like worm. It detoxifies and supports rapid recovery from stress and illness. What of spinach, amaranthus, or vegetable type? It's rich in iron, folic acid, and vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It improves red blood cell and red blood formation in poultry and livestock animals. Enhances general health, boosts metabolism, and reduces mortality. It improves egg production and feather quality in poultry and livestock animals. What of street spinach? Chia leaf. Contains protein, calcium, phosphorus, and antioxidants. It protects poultry birds from mortality. It promotes faster growth and immune response in poultry and livestock animals. It boosts resistance to stress and disease outbreak in poultry like fowl typhoid and others. Bushmelon leaf is Vitis dominea, or this is another powerful bush plant known for respiratory system protection and antimicrobial effect. It suits bronchi airways. It fights CROD, chronic respiratory diseases, to totality. Even coryza, it fights it completely and remove it from your system. It's what of Mexican mint? Mexican mint is Plantatus aponicus is the botanical name. Highly aromatic and medicinal. It treats respiratory conditions in poultry, acts as anti-inflammatory and antibiotics. It improves breathing, especially in chicks and growers. What of ginger, turmeric, clove, Eden combo properties? Ginger increases blood flows, fights infections, and improves appetite. Turmeric is another plant that acts as antibiotics, detoxifies and reduces inflammations. Clove, powerful antimicrobial and anti-intestinal problems, and it cleanses the intestine of your poultry and livestock animals. Eden fruit acts as antiparasitic, respiratory protector, and digestive booster. It fights Newcastle disease, infectious brucell disease, coccidiosis, chronic respiratory disease, avian influenza, fowl typhoid, bacterial infections, worm infestations, diarrhea and digestive infections, malnutrition-related weakness, and heat stress. It fights poor egg production and low-quality egg. It also fights early chick mortalities, reduces mortality to the barest minimum. Now, what are the ways you can use? Gather all these plants as I mentioned them. Now, wash them thoroughly. Put them inside a very big pot as you are seeing on the screen here. Add 5 liters of water, depending on the size of the pot you are using, please. Then boil this particular plant. Add them one after the other and boil them to 30 minutes. The color will change. You can see the color you're having here. That's why I'm using this. I use this so that you see the color. It is transparent. You can see the color is giving you. See the combo 2. See the color combo 2 is giving you. See the difference. Let me show you the difference. So you see that there are different chemical compositions. This is combo 5, combo 2, and combo 4. This is combo 3. You can see the color. You are seeing it. Combo 3 is different. This is combo 1. You can see they all have different colors. Are you seeing it? They have different colors. So that is to tell you they have different chemical composition. Once you are adding more, listen, they give you different compositions and different strengths in taking care of the poultry and livestock animals. This is the final one, and make sure you boil it up to 30 minutes. Allow it to cool. Bring the pot down. I'll open the pot. Allow it to get cold. After cooling, then extract the juice. Remove the juice and throw away all the waste. Those ones are not needed at all because they have already diffused everything inside the water. Then extract the water and store the water in a clean can. You can use this or bigger ones. So make sure that it is very secure. Use it every day for 3 to 5 days. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Every time they're drinking water, make sure it is always in their water. At least, if you're using aloe vera, please, aloe vera should be at least 200 grams of aloe vera or 3 stems, depending on the size of the aloe vera. Neem, please, a handful of neem, 2 handfuls of neem leaf. very large quantity of neem leaf, very big quantity. Then pawpaw leaf, 3 stems of pawpaw leaf is good. You can see the dosage now. Please don't make mistake. Then spinach, handful of spinach is good. Mexican mint, 20 leaves of Mexican mint. Sponge leaf, 10 to 15 leaves of sponge leaf. Ginger, 100 grams of ginger is good. Turmeric, 2 teaspoons of turmeric is good. Clove, 1 teaspoon of clove. Edam fruit, 1 fully crushed pod, 1 like this. Crush it, 1 like this. Crush it into pieces. It's okay. Please boil them all together. Make sure you don't miss the formula. If you miss the formula, it's going to give you a different. It can buy your chicken because this is a very potent herb. You're seeing here. It is very strong. The dosage is very important. See the formula I'm giving you here. Should I repeat it, or what you do is rewatch the video if you don't get them, or you pause, watch and pause. Aloe vera is 3 stems, about 200 to 300 grams of it is good. Neem, 2 handful of neem. Pawpaw is 3 to 4 stems of pawpaw. 2, 3, 4 is good for pawpaw because pawpaw doesn't have overdose. Then they have spinach, 1 handful of spinach. Mint, 20 leaves of mint. Sponge, 10 to 15 leaves of sponge. Ginger, 100 to 200 grams of ginger. Turmeric, 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Clove, 1 teaspoon of clove. Then Eden fruit, 1 fully crushed one like this, all inside 1 pot with 4 to 5 liters of water, depending on the size of the pot. Boil it up to 20 to 30 minutes. Allow it to boil well. It's going to change the color like this. See it on the screen, the way it is going. Watch, follow the steps on the screen, and make sure you do it like this. Extract the water at the end when it's cold. Then add this, at least depending on the age of the birds, 100 ml per bird for 3 to 5 days during the high risk period. 100 ml to a bird. You add 100 ml of it into the water, dilute it, and give to your poultry birds. Then for prevention, 100 ml per bird once or twice in a week is good for prevention. Then for me, I will advise you, use it on daily basis. If you are not vaccinating your birds, if you are not giving vaccine to your birds, use it on daily basis from beginning to the end. Every other drinking water, morning, afternoon, and night, should have this. You protect your birds. Please, I will stop here. If you have any question regarding this topic, please drop it on the comment section, because nature has provided everything needed to protect our flock without expensive vaccines or antibiotics. With these organic combinations of leaves, roots, and fruits and spices, you can achieve stronger immunity, zero mortality, fast recovery of poultry birds, faster recovery, improved productivity, and chemical-free poultry meat and eggs. Switching to organic vaccination not only saves money for you as a poultry farmer, it also prolongs and promotes your business, promotes health and profitability on your farm also. Please, if you have any question regarding this topic, on the comment section, let's meet there. If you have used any of this combination before, please let me know on the comment section also, and let me know the result you are getting. Is this effective? Tell me what you think about the particular combo, and let's discuss on the comment section. If you have any question regarding this topic, any other topic on poultry and livestock farming, let's meet on the comment section also. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, share our video to reach more poultry and livestock farming. Share it to your platforms, share it to your profiles, so that you have this video always on your platform and your profiles. Subscribe to our channel membership. Be a member of this channel. Don't just be a subscriber. Don't come and say, I'm a subscriber, I'm your follower. You're not following. If you're following me, who am I following? Please be a channel member so that you can contribute to the growth of the channel. You know that we use data to be online to deliver these lectures. You know that we make research to get all these information for you. Subscribe to the channel membership, where you contribute token at the end of every month. Ask them, they are there. Many Alefunamaka and the Ude Onyeka, and many of them, they are all there. Kiwi TV, many of them are there. They are also helping to grow the channel. Most of what is here, they are the one inspiring me to continue this work. And if you can't help, you're not helping the platform at all. And there's no way you call me to help you in your business. There's no way you ask me a question regarding your business and I will contribute. I will tell you, God bless you. That's all. And it's a good one. I will bless you. God bless you. It's well with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Till the next video is uploaded. And our Eco Boil Booster, the batch 2 is out. This is 55k. This is 5 liters. You can see it. This one is better than the former one. This one, you can use this as a immune booster. You can use it instead of vaccinating your birds. This one can serve as vaccination. You can see it. This The former one, see the face of the former one. You can see the face of the former one. It has the face of the former one here and the face of the, you can see it. This is a very powerful organic, 5 liters. This is 5,000 ml. You can see it. If you need it, 55K for now. The price is this is just a giveaway price. The price should be 60K, and it's going to 60K in the next few days, because this is the first batch that just came out. So what you do now, make your order now. See the number on the screen and request. Tell me your location, pay for the way bill, we send it to you, immediately you get it. We don't send third party, please. And if you're watching me from Cameroon, we have a distributor in Cameroon right away. If you want to make payments, we'll tell you how you're going to contact him, so that you communicate with him and get your product through him. See it, this is Eco Bio Booster, super organic. All this is we are teaching here for the years are all inside here in full force and fully fortified, industrially processed and produced. See it. Ask for your own now. Send me a message on the comment section and send me information on WhatsApp. I will give you the link on how to get it. I'll tell you how to get it, how to make payment, and how it will reach your location also. No matter where you are, in as much as there is sun and there is air there, it will get to you. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.